Hey everybody, I'm doing a part of She Ain't You by Chris Brown. This song is actually for somebody, so here we go. You make it hard for me to see somebody else. I'm calling her your name, yeah, it's messed up, 'cause I'm thinking about you. It's your fault, babe. I never wanted a breakup. No, not this way, 'cause you don't understand it, girl. When she touches me, I'm wishing that they were your hands. And when I'm with her, it's only about the sex. You, I had a bad romance. And if I could just trade it in, I would, 'cause nobody compares to you. Oh, yeah. I think I wanna let her go. I can't leave you alone. Every day when I'm with her, all I want is you.